Charles Kanjama nere OMORAI OMOYIA bw'ekiama kia abawakili kia Law Society of Kenya magega ya yekonyara koba gakobabwa abawakili ba mwabo batataso Obochori bw'ekiama ekio bwenegeti w'erituko rigoro koreng'ana n'omutenderi w'Obochori ase ekiama ekio Joyce Majiwa niga koenekia buna omowakili Charles Kanjama nigo aenyorerete obobui bw'echikura chiri bwisatu chimisano na ibere 44 ekera bwete omwameri oye bwange Peter Wanyama oyonyorete chikura chiri bibere chimisano nemo 49 ase bono kabata mwaura hachitoyo gatatu ase chikura chiri bibere emiemo na ikomenesato ase bono Kanjama nigo arire eira yogochia koenekia na chikura koenekia obora yobuya ase ekiama ekio na kubwatia richiko kerensia kanyegente kuyarigania Obochori bano mwaka bw'echiri bibere 25
All what we have announced are results which have been verified with confirmation from the chief agents of the three candidates.
I will read the numbers and then give Mr. Kanjama a time to say something. Thank you. Those claps are for Senior Counsel Kanjama, so accept them on the floor. So these are the Senior Counsel, 3,740. Manyonge Peter Wanyama, 2,649. Maura Kabata, 2,113.
Today the Law Society of Kenya has spoken. It has spoken clearly, firmly, and in numbers that leave no doubt about the direction it has chosen. I begin by congratulating my worthy opponents, Maura Kabata and PMO Wanyama, for the contest they put forward. This was a robust and highly competitive election. It is the strength of that contest that gives today's outcome its authority and its legitimacy. To the members of the today we affirm an enduring truth of the profession, that the vote of the people remains supreme, and it is the strongest voice the bar will ever have. I congratulate the incoming LSK Council leadership, from the Vice President, whose results will be announced shortly, to every council member elected. I look forward to working closely with you to build a united and formidable council, one that will protect the membership